Let's take a look at room 7129, an interior room on Independence of the Seas, which we sailed at the last week of March, beginning week of April of 2026. I'm JD, and along with my wife Chris, we are the Casual Cruisers. On this channel, we'll bring you ship tours, port tours, and information on excursions and other activities. We hope you find our channel enjoyable and informative. If you do, please click the like button and consider subscribing. Now, let's cast off on the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers. As with all our videos, as we show items that you might need to pause and read, such as menus, whether room service or otherwise, feel free to pause and read those menus at your leisure. And enjoy these towel animals as well. 7129, Independence of the Seas interior room. Quick view right there, we'll get more into it. So as you can see, you have your standard information for your safety muster station on the back of the door. That light switch controls the main lights of the cabin. And as soon as you come in, you have your closet, numerous hangers. In here, small safe, you can put your passports and your wallets. 4 shelves for clothing. There's a little storage up top. There you go, little shelf storage up there. We'll have that and the green guy in the gadgets video we're going to do after this cruise. You have the pull down arm if you need more hanging. We just put our suitcases in here, quick and easy. There's one under the bed. You can always put it under the bed. But we just decided to do that this time. Coming in further, you have climate control. And then over here, you have some storage. Same thing on the other side, a little storage. And there you go. There's a mirror, vanity. This light switch turns that light off and on. Little shelf up there, that's handy. The announcements for in the room, the volume control. There's your European plug and your 2 US plugs. Always bring a European adapter. Get you a little bit more outlet space. 3 drawers on this side. Relatively small. Up top is a small work. You have that workstation. Here you have the drawer. And you have the room service menus. And you also have the mini bar. So, just to give you an idea. Here's the mini bar. Fill that out. And on the back, there's the stuff you're able to get from the mini bar. The room service menu. Now, room service, whether you order one thing or one of everything, room service is $10. It's like $8 plus the 18% gratuity. Just simple call it $10. That's the breakfast side. The other side was the all-day side. And what you want to do if you want breakfast, fill this out. Mark the time, hang it on your door. Now here's the thing about the breakfast one. Continental breakfast is no charge. The American breakfast side, you get that $10 charge. There you go. So there's the room service info in that drawer. You can see I have a second laptop in there for work purposes. Over here, little drawer with Kleenex. 3 more small drawers. It's okay. So you open up that, and then on the opposite side opens the cooler. It's not a fridge. It's a cooler. Okay. Coming across, a little shelf up there. That was handy too. We like to bring our own snacks. Just our favorites. You can bring what you want. Obviously, you see the TV is on. You can see where we are relative to Cuba. And also where Gitmo is. So this work area seems bigger, not much bigger, but it seems bigger. Then we use magnetic hooks for convenience. The lights over there. And I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if we zoom in. There is a switch right there at the bed that goes, turns off the main lights as well. No outlets near the bed. So if you have CPAPs like we do, you gotta make sure you arrange that when you book your cruise. Coming over, we always have the beds together. CPAP over there. Now you'll see that's where the bed is. We bring memory foam toppers or older. We'll give those to you too in our video. Probably about a week from now. I'll shoot it and get it all ready for consumption. And when we upload it, you'll be able to see what we do, how we pack them. It's not a big deal. Of course, we live in Florida, so we can drive to the port. So if you're flying in, that's a consideration too. Another bedside lamp. Some more magnetic hooks. They have a little curtain here, so if you need to close it so the person sleeping isn't bothered, and you get your little towel animal. Over here, little couch, little table, trash can, obviously. We bring a folding hamper. It's just easier for us to organize. Get the chair in there. Another full-length mirror right there for you to get prepared for the evenings. We have these rechargeable magnetic night lights, auto on-off, motion sensors. Those are very good and helpful too. Again, in the gadgets video coming up. Older ship, been retrofitted with these little hook knobs on the door. Come in. Standard size interior shower for an older ship. Thing I like is clamshell doors, as opposed to on the even smaller older ships like Rhapsody and Grandeur, where you just have a curtain. Towel racks come in. Standard sink, countertop, storage here. Good storage. And we just use the glasses for our toothpaste and toothbrush holders. So that's 7129 interior room. Hope you guys like the tour. And as always, bon voyage until the next adventure with the Casual Cruisers.